Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn linear differential equation. Question 1. Solve the differential equation dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to minus x. Now here first we will consider the given differential equation, that is dy by dx plus y is equal to e raised to minus x. This is a linear equation of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. If you compare with the given differential equation, then you can see that here we have the differential equation in the same format. So we can say that the value of p is equal to 1 and q is equal to e raised to minus x. Now here in this type of questions we are going to consider the integrating factor, and that integrating factor is denoted by if, and which is given by e raised to integration of p dx. Since here the value of p is 1, we will substitute that value of p here to calculate the integrating factor. So we have e raised to integration of 1 dx. Now integration of 1 is nothing but x. So we have e raised to x as the integrating factor if. Now here the solution of the given equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into bracket integrating factor dx. So at the place of integrating factor we are going to substitute e raised to x, and at the place of q we are going to substitute e raised to minus x. So we have y into e raised to x is equal to integration of e raised to minus x into e raised to x dx plus c. Now this term e raised to minus x, if we write in the denominator, that will become e raised to x. So we have y into e raised to x is equal to integration of e raised to x upon e raised to x dx plus c. Now this both the term will get cancelled, and we will get y into e raised to x is equal to integration of 1 dx plus c. So we have y into e raised to x is equal to x plus c. So we can write this as y is equal to x plus c upon e raised to x, or the same term we can write like this: y is equal to x plus c into e raised to minus x. This is nothing but the solution of the given differential equation. Now question number 2. Solve the differential equation x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. Now here we are going to consider the given differential equation. So given x into dy by dx plus 2y is equal to x square into log x. Now dividing throughout by x, we get here x will get cancelled. So we have the term only dy by dx plus no x term is present here to cancel. So we will write 2 upon x into y, and to the right hand side 1x will get cancelled with the denominator x. So we have x into log x. Now the given differential equation is of the form dy by dx plus py is equal to q. Means it is in the form of linear equation, where the value of p is equal to 2 upon x and value of q is equal to x into log x. So here also, since the differential equation is in linear form, we are going to calculate the integrating factor, and therefore if is given by e raised to integration of p dx. So e raised to this 2 which is present in p, which is constant, so that we will write outside the integration sign, and integration of 1 upon x dx. Now we know that integration of 1 upon x is log x. So we have e raised to 2 log x, and therefore the integrating factor is given by e raised to log of x square, because we know the law of exponent, that is before log term we can write raised to, and this term is nothing but x square. That means integrating factor is equal to x square. Now solution of the given equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx plus c. So at the place of integrating factor we will substitute x square, and at the place of q we will substitute x into log x. So we have y into x square is equal to integration of x into log x into x square dx plus c. Now we are going to open this bracket by multiplying the term x square which is present here outside. So we have integration of x cube into log x dx plus c. Now while integrating this term we use Liet formula, that means logarithmic term we write first and then we write the algebraic term, so that we can apply integration by parts, that is UV rule of integration. So this log term we will write first and x cube term we will write next. So by using integration by parts, here we will get y into x square is equal to log x into, we know the u into v rule of integration, that is u integration of v dx minus integration of v dx into derivative of u into dx plus c. So by applying that formula, here we will get log x integration of x cube as x raised to 4 upon 4 minus again integration of x cube as x raised to 4 upon 4 into derivative of log x, that is 1 upon x dx plus c. Now this term we will write first x raised to 4 upon 4 into log x minus 1 upon 4 constant and 1x cancel with this. So we have integration of x cube dx. In next term we will write integration of x cube as x raised to 4 upon 4, but already 1 4 is present here, so that will become 4 4s are 16. So answer is x square into y is equal to x raised to 4 upon 4 log x minus x raised to 4 upon 16 plus c. Here we have minus sign. Now question number 3. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy by dx plus y upon x is equal to x cube minus 3. Now here also the already differential equation is given in linear format. So directly comparing with the type dy by dx plus py is equal to q, we can say that the value of p is 1 upon x and the value of q is x cube minus 3. Now integrating factor if will be given by e raised to integration of p dx. So substituting the value of p as 1 upon x, if is equal to e raised to 1 upon x dx, that is e raised to log x, and that is equal to x. That means the value of if is equal to x. Now as we know, solution is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx. So y into x is equal to integration of x cube minus 3 into x dx. Now multiply this bracket by the term x which is present outside. So we have integration of x raised to 4 minus 3x into dx. So we have xy is equal to x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 3x square upon 2 plus c by integrating this term. So general solution of the equation is given by xy is equal to x raised to 5 upon 5 minus 3x square upon 2 plus c. Now question number 4. Solve x into sin x dy by dx plus x cos x plus sin x into y is equal to sin x. Now to get the linear format, we need to divide the entire equation by x into sin x. So by dividing that term, we will get dy by dx plus the entire term upon x into sin x, and to the right hand side sin x upon x into sin x. So here sin x will get cancelled and we have only 1 upon x, and to this side for the first term x will get cancelled and we have cos upon sin x cot x, and sin x will get cancelled and we have 1 upon x. Now this is in the linear format, and therefore we have dy by dx plus cot x plus 1 upon x y is equal to 1 upon x. Now where the value of p is cot x plus 1 upon x and value of q as 1 upon x. So integrating factor if is given by e raised to integration of p dx, that is e raised to integration of cot x plus 1 upon x into dx. So after integrating we will get e raised to log of sin x, that is the integration of cot x, plus log x, that is the integration of 1 upon x. And we know the law of product, that is log a plus log b we can write as log ab. So we have e raised to log of x into sin x, and this term is nothing but x into sin x. That means the integrating factor is x into sin x. Now the solution for the equation is given by y into integrating factor is equal to integration of q into integrating factor dx. Now substituting the value of if as x into sin x and value of q as 1 upon x, we get y into x into sin x is equal to integration of 1 upon x into x into sin x dx plus c. Now here x gets cancelled and we have integration of sin x dx plus c, and that is nothing but minus cos x plus c, and therefore the answer is xy sin x plus cos x is equal to c. This is nothing but the solution for the given differential equation. Thank you students.